Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to move a slide in your slide deck or your presentation to another location. All right, so let's say I have this slide down here and I want to change the order in which the slides get presented. All right, so if I go to slide and I move down to move slide, if I select move slide up, it will move it up one position. In other words, it will swap it with the slide immediately before it. If I choose move slide down, it will swap it with the slide immediately after it. Or if I want to move it all the way to the beginning or all the way to the end, I can select those options as well. So I'm just going to click on move slide up and it just swapped it with the one above it. So now this slide with the picture of the bowler on it should appear before this slide right here, which is actually skipped, and so it should appear before the one with the table on it. So if you have all the right slides and you just are tweaking with the order in which you're going to present them, you can just move the slides using the menu. Or another way you can do it is if you have the film strip visible on the left, you can just click on a slide, hold down your click, and move it to wherever you'd like to place it. So there's a couple of different ways that you can move slides or change the order in your slide decks.